Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. Today we are in the Raja Tilisi development. And deep down in the books of this country, there exists a company called Maisha Development. I know most of you may not know it, but I'm very sure you'll come to know about it very soon. This is because they are doing an incredible work in bridging the housing gap. Right now, they are doing two estates, and one is called Maisha Mapya, and the other one is called Maisha Makao. The only difference between these two estates is this one is targeting the economy class, and Maisha Makao is targeting the bourgeois ones. These two developments comes with all the salient features that you may require, and that will include clubhouses, swimming pools, basketball courts, and if anything is missing from the two estates, you will get it in the larger Tilisi development. Maisha Mapya, which is targeting you and me, will consist of 350 units, and Maisha Makao will consist of 250 units. So in total, you'll get around 600 homes. Both estates will contain 2 and 3 bedroom apartments, and in Maisha Mapya, the 2 bedroom will have a print area of 64 square meters. The 3 bedroom will have a print area of 85 square meters, and the prices will start from 4.55 million for the 2 bedroom and 6.05 for the 3 bedrooms. In Maisha Makao, the 2 bedrooms will have a print area of 85 square meters, and the 3 bedroom will have a print area of 110 square meters. The prices will start from 7.05 for the 2 bedroom and 9.45 for the 3 bedrooms. I know most of you don't like technicalities and 3D modeling, so I'll take you to Maisha Mapya and we'll see the 2 and 3 bedroom apartments. Later, I'll show you Maisha Makao. Let's get going. This is the 3 bedroom home, and from the entrance you are welcomed by the openness of everything. Here you have the dining area, and on my left hand side you have the living room of this home. On my right hand side you have the kitchen and the 2 kids bedrooms. On my far right you have the primary bedroom. The dining area is an extension of the kitchen, and it is an island like that can hold 4 people. On my right hand side you have a small table, and this is where you can put your keys and other movables. Under it, you have a space that has been set aside for your shoes. This table comes with several drawers. The living room is directly opposite to the dining area, and this space is big enough to fit a 5-seater couch or a 6-seater couch like this one. The living room comes with a big window that gives you maximum natural light, and this space is where you do your electronics. The living room also comes with a very well done light fixtures. On my far right, you have the kitchen of this home. And before I show you that, just have a look at this light fixture for the dining area. Beautiful, right? This kitchen comes with several shelves, massive storage on the lower cabinets, and an extra storage from the upper cabinets. The kitchen comes with this space for your cooking stove, and above it, you have its hood. This kitchen comes with granite countertops all over, and here you have the sink area. This is a single sink, but it has this space here for you to easily dry the utensils. The sink area is also next to the window of this kitchen. And this is a fairly big window. Below the sink area, you have your laundry machine. I know this is not a concept that we are used to as Africans, but we'll have to adapt. Behind me, you have an extra storage, and you have this space that has been set aside for your microwave. This other space has been set aside for your refrigerator. From here, I'll take you directly to the first bedroom, and it's on this side. The first bedroom is the smallest, and it has been set aside for the smaller kids. This bedroom comes with these 2 beds, either for your 2 boys or your 2 girls. The window to this bedroom is at the center, and here you have a small table for kids to keep their stuff. And on the other side, you have the closet of this bedroom. This closet comes with an extra storage up there, spaces for the foldable clothes, and on this other side, you have some spaces for the hangable clothes. I'll take you to the second bedroom. From the first bedroom, the second bedroom is here. The second bedroom is slightly bigger than the first one, and it comes with a bigger bed. That means that this bedroom is targeting the bigger kids. The bedroom also comes with a bigger window and a slightly bigger closet. This bedroom comes with its side drawers on that side, a very good space for your artwork, and you have your closets on this side. From here, I'll show you the shared toilet, and later I'll show you the primary bedroom. The shared bathroom is next to the second bedroom. This bathroom comes with a vanity setup, a water closet, and behind me you have a shower cubicle. This bathroom is very big and it comes with all the necessary fixtures that you may require. I'll take you to the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom is on the far end. Come with me. The primary bedroom is the biggest and it comes sizable enough to fit a king size or a queen size bed. This bedroom comes with a very big window and a space for your artwork. And as you can see, the artwork here is on another level. On the other side of the bedroom, you have your dresser that comes with a small table for your jewelries and a mirror. This is the window to this bedroom. And on the sides of this bed, you have the side drawers. The closets of this bedroom are on the opposite side. But before I show you that, just have a look at the quality of this home. This developer understands what value for money entails. This bedroom comes with his and hers closet. That means that this closet can be used by you and the other one can be used by your partner. The only problem is that these closets are fairly small. So if you have a shopping addiction, you'll have to visit your psychologist before buying these homes. Let me show you the bathroom. The primary bathroom is bigger than the other bathroom that we saw, and it comes with a water closet, a vanity setup, and a very big mirror. This mirror also comes with a shaving light. On the other side of the primary bathroom, you have a shower cubicle, and this shower cubicle comes with a rain shower that comes with a handheld. That's all for this primary bathroom. That's all for the 3-bedroom home. From here, I'll take you to the 2-bedroom unit. Wow, for 4.55 million, this is a great value for money. On my right hand side, you have the shared toilet. Here, you have the dining area of this home. And on my far left, you have the kitchen of this home. Here at the center, you have the living room of this 2-bedroom. On my right hand side, you'll have the primary bedroom, and this is the kids' bedroom. The dining area of this 2-bedroom home has been set to seat 4 people. But if you have a house help, you can set another chair here for them. One thing that fascinates me is the beauty that comes with this dining space. It's very beautiful. But who paints a branch? Okay, it's beauty, but did it? The living room of this home is big enough to fit a 5-seater couch like this one, and from here your family will enjoy very good conversations. This living room also comes with a fairly big window, and this will bring maximum natural light during the day. During the night, you will enjoy the moonlight from this crazy light, and it's a masterpiece. On this other side, you have this space that has been set aside for all your electronics. Before we started shooting, I was reading this book under the title, Sweat is the Lubricant of Success, and it's very interesting. I think you should read it. Let me show you the kitchen of this 2-bedroom home. This 2-bedroom home adopts an open plan method, and you have the dining area here, and next to it you have the kitchen of this home. This kitchen comes with dark granite countertops all over, a hood, and a space for your cooking stove. The sink area is on this far end, and below it you have your laundry machine. Behind me you have upper cabinets and lower cabinets, and also you have this space for your refrigerator. From here, I'll take you to the kids' bedroom, and later I'll show you the primary bedroom. The kids' bedroom is very big, and it comes with a double-decker bed. So if you have 2 kids, one can sleep there and the other one can sleep here. And also, if you have a house help and you are not rich enough to buy a 3-bedroom, you can use this bed for the house help and this other one for the kids. The kids' bedroom comes with a study area, and that makes it very easy for them to study without any disturbance. The study table also comes with directional light, just in case you want to do fine reading or you don't want to disturb anyone who is sleeping. On the other side of this bedroom, you have the closet of this bedroom. And here, you have spaces for your hangable clothes, spaces for the foldable clothes here, and you have several drawers on this far end. This is a big closet, and if it's not enough, you still have some extra space up here. Let me take you to the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom is on the opposite side of the kids' bedroom. The primary bedroom is slightly bigger than the kids' bedroom, and it comes with a 5x6 bed, of which I think is sufficient for you and your partner. This bedroom also comes with 2 side drawers, and on this side you have a dresser. This room comes with an internet connection and a TV cable. On the opposite side you have the closets of this bedroom, and it's a set of which I think it will be enough for you and your sweetheart. One thing that I want you to learn about this 2-bedroom apartment is that they come with 1 washroom, but that washroom has 2 doors. That means it can be accessed from the living room by everyone else, and from this door by you and your partner from the primary bedroom. Let's see it. This is the bathroom of this 2-bedroom unit, and it comes with a water closet and a vanity setup. This type of a bathroom is also called a Jack and Jill bathroom. And the other access is here, and it opens to the living room. On the other side of the bathroom, you have the shower cubicle. And this shower cubicle comes with a rain shower and a handheld. The bathroom also comes with all the other fixtures that you may require in such a bathroom. That's all for this bedroom. We have come to the end of the tour, and this is the development. The swimming pool is on the other side, and the basketball court will be built here. On the other side, the clubhouse is already complete. But before we end the tour, I want to tell you that 51% of these homes have been sold. So we are only waiting for you, and everything else will be sold out. From here, I'll take you to Maisha Makao. Come with me.